How to switch to an Instagram creator account. It is quite easy and simple to switch to an Instagram creator account. For that, launch Instagram app on your device. Ensure to log in or sign into your account. Tap profile icon at bottom right corner of the screen. If you are using the personal account, tap three-line icon at top right corner of the screen. Select settings and privacy. Scroll a bit down. Choose account type and tools. Tap switch to professional account. Tap continue. You need to choose what best describes you and done button. Wait for 30 seconds to finish creating your professional account. Choose whether that's creator or business and tap next button. If you wish to see your logins using Account Center, select continue or not now. Set up your professional account, which is optional, and once done, let's get back from this Instagram page. Now open Instagram. Go to same profile icon. And here you go. There is professional dashboard and we have switched to professional account. If you wish to turn on or switch to personal account, tap professional dashboard and tap gear icon at top right corner of the screen. Scroll a bit down and you need to choose the option for creator. Scroll a bit down and select the option for switch account type. Tap switch to personal account and tap switch to personal account. Wait for a moment. And that's it. That's how we easily switch to an Instagram creator account.
I hope this video was helpful and informative for you. If it was, then make sure to hit the like button, subscribe our channel if you are new, and press the notification bell for more updates.